Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to check reviews of shows on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to check reviews of shows on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you want to watch shows, but before you want to get opinion about that show, so you want to read the review so that you could get to know if that show is worth watching or not, or there could be any other reason for you to check reviews of shows on Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can find reviews of shows on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Crunchyroll app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. It will just take a while to load all of its contents, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top you will see the icon of the app and other few options at the top and bottom. And into the middle of the screen there are different shows that you could watch and enjoy. So let's say you want to watch the reviews of the shows. So now what you have to do is that you have to open the profile of that show and then you could read it. So here we have this show. I just simply click onto the icon of this show and the profile will open. You will see its cover page, you will read its name, its star, and all the details written about it, like what is included into that show, so you will get an idea about it. And after that you will see these options. So here we have the information regarding episodes, and here we have reviews. Once you click on it, here you will find the reviews that people have shared on this show. Now you can read these reviews one by one. There are hundreds and thousands of reviews written. You can read them so that you will get to know that if this show is good or not, so that you spend your time on it. And if you watch this show and you get back, so you can choose that if that was helpful or not helpful, because if that review is original, like it is real or not. Other than that, there are other reviews available. You can read all of them or maybe any one of these, whatever you prefer, so that you will get to know about this show. Later on, when you finish watching this show, so you could also share your review regarding it, and you could also explain your experience, like what have you learned and whatever you have seen into that show. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can check reviews of shows on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.